Hello everyone. I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify your network settings in homework number 2. Okay. All right. Okay. So the first one, the exercise one, asks you to set up a Windows Server 2012 virtual machine. On a virtual box. Okay, so you can see that I have my Windows Server 2012 set up already and it's up and running. And again, the exercise 2 asks you to add the Windows Server 2012 and also an instance of the Windows XP into the internal network. So I'm going to show it to you. So this is my Windows Server 2012, and then let me go to settings. Go to network. There we go. Okay, so you can see that it's in the internal network. Okay, and then again for the advanced one, I just put the change the setting to allow all. Okay, yeah. And then for my XP, I would do the same. And then go to settings, go to network, and then this internal network, and then advanced one, you'll be allowed all. Okay, all right. Okay, so they verify the number 1, number 2. And oh, by the way, I mean, I'm using the newer version of VirtualBox software. If you are using the one a little bit older, it's totally fine. Okay, yeah, it's totally fine. All right, number 3, you are asked to use 2 static IPs for your Windows Server 2012 and also the XP. Again, I mean, you can use whatever IPs you like. Okay, yeah. So here is the IP addresses I use for my server 2012. Okay, so this is the instance of my server 2012. Let me click the server manager. Okay, and click local server. Okay, and it will pop up the IP address here. Okay, oh, sorry, here, and I use 192.168.0.1. Okay, and then for my XP. Okay, so again, let me double click it. Okay, this is the instance, and let me go to the control panel. Okay, and then go to the network connections. Go to the local area network connection. Okay, select the right-click the mouse button, pick properties. Okay, select TCP/IP. And then here will be my stack IP. Okay, so again, I use 192.168.0.10. You can use whatever unique IP as long as you pick a different one than the one used by your server, then it's fine. As for gateway, I assume that in the future, my server 2012 will be the gateway, and also it will be the DNS server as well. So that's why I use the Windows Server 2012 IP. As of now, it really doesn't matter. Okay, yeah. Okay, you just need a static IP for your Windows XP in this internal network setting. Okay. For firewall, okay, for firewall, so next one, mention about, set it up the IIS web server on Windows Server 2012, and then turn off your firewall. This is again for academic environment, so it's fine to turn off the firewall, and then you can see that my my firewall for public is off. Okay, it's off. Okay, yeah. And then on my Windows XP side, okay, the firewall is off too. Okay, yeah, it's off too. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so over here, okay, I'm going to verify the setting on step 4. Okay, so you can see that I have my IIS server installed already, and then over the C drive, inet pub, www root. I ask you to create an index.html file and then put the content like this. Okay, so again, replace to your name here. Okay, yeah. And then again, always do a test. test. Okay, always do a test. So quickly go back to my. If I explore on Windows Server 2012, go to C drive, go to INET-PUB, go to www.root, and then there you go. This is the index.html file, and right-click the mouse button, and then pick open with. Notepad will be fine, totally fine. There you go. So this is a very, very simple HTML code. Okay, yeah. All right. So to do a test, again, always keep a good habit that make sure that you can pin the server from the command prompt first. Okay, yeah. If you are so sure about it, I mean, you are totally fine. Directly use fire up your browser to do the testing. Okay, but then again, I just show you that you can again before you test your server from another machine, you can just on the client machine you can just type in the server's IP. Yeah, 192.168.0.1. Okay. There you go. Okay, so I got a response back. So which means that from client to server is fine, but then how about from server to client? All right. So again, I can do a quick pin. Okay, pin 192.168. Okay, 168. Okay, 168.0. Okay, .10. Okay, yeah. So there you go. So you see that my server can pin the client and get a response back. So it shows kind of the firewall should be fine. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so let me use the web browser to do the testing. Okay, so let me fire up the browser from the client side, and then I have a pre-test already. So actually, you can see that I have the IP here already. So just type in HTTP column //192.168.0.1. That is the server's IP, right? And then there you go. The client can visit server's website, no problem. Okay, so they verify the setting for your exercise 4 over here. All right, and then next one, again, I assume that you have set up the FTP service, or set up the FTP server on your Windows Server 2012 as well. Okay, and then again, over here, make sure that you turn off the firewall. Okay, yeah, and then I ask you to create a folder under the C drive on the Windows Server 2012. The folder name is FTP download. Okay, so let me minimize this one. And then go to the folder. And then go to C drive. Go to yeah, there you go. So you can see the file. FTP folder, FTP download. Sorry. The folder, the folder name FTP download is there. Okay, yeah, under C drive. Okay, under C drive is there. And then I ask you to put a file, put a file called readme.txt under the folder. Again, it's for testing purpose. Okay, yeah, so there you go. Let me navigate into it. This is a readme file, and then the content again is extremely simple. Okay, just this is a readme.txt file. Okay, from, and then again put your name there. Okay, and then I assume that while you setting up the FTP server, you have disabled the anonymous users login. In a minute, we'll do the check-in. Okay, yeah. All right, and then exercise 6. So again, I ask you to set up a user called a win user with this password on your server 2012. Okay. And then for the read-write permission, set up the read-write permission to access the FTP website. Okay, yeah. So let me again quickly go to the server manager. Go to the tools. Go to the computer management. go to the local user, okay, and then expand the folder, select the users folder. There you go. Okay, so this is the Win user. Okay, this is the Win user. Okay, I added it. Okay, over it. Okay, yeah. Then from my IIS manager console. Okay, IIS manager console. Then I'm going to expand this administration website. Okay, expand the sites. So there you go. This is my FTP site. Okay, and then let me double click the FTP authorization rules. Okay, then there you go. Okay, my Win user is here. Okay, my Win user is here, and then it has the read write. Okay, permission got set up. Okay, here's the read write permission got set up. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so again, now how do we do the test? Right? Okay, how do we do the test? Okay, so okay, again, use a client machine. Okay, use a client machine, and then fire up the browser. You can type in FTP. FTP. Yes, not HTTP. Okay, this time because this is the FTP service. Okay, so now let me show you my client machine. Okay, so this is my Windows XP machine. Okay, yeah. And then let me change the protocol to FTP. Okay, yeah. I mean, I don't know how to zoom in. Okay, yeah. So you just have to bear with me that trusting me that I type in the FTP protocol. Okay, all right, and then let me press the enter key. Okay, it will ask me to verify my credential. Okay, so a moment ago I mentioned that how you know that the anonymous user has been disabled. Okay, so on your FTP service, then again I can try this one. Log in. Okay. On anonymously. Okay, yeah, and then this will be the anonymous login. Then if I click log on, okay, it won't work. Okay, it won't work. Okay, so this verify that the anonymous login has been turned off. Okay, and then again type in your username, Win user, and the correct password. SOSU dash 2019. Okay, and then click log on. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you see that this is the website stored over the server, right? Okay, the file stored over the server, and then but then the client can read it. Okay, so client can just kind of open it up. Okay, yeah. So this is the content. Okay, yeah. Over the homework, I mentioned about make changes. There's no need to do it. Okay, it will just make things too complicated. Okay, yeah. So just read it will be fine. But then again, make sure that the Win user has the right permission, which means that can create folder, can upload file to the server. Okay, yeah. So let's verify that. Okay, yeah. So over here, again on my client side. Okay, I'm going to right click the mouse button, and then pick the new, create a folder. Maybe call it let's say Win user. Okay, yeah. Again, I mean you can put whatever name you like. Okay, there you go. And then if you switch back to the server side, you can see that immediately under server side FTP download folder, the file has been created. Okay, and then again, I can also quickly see whether I can upload a file over there or not. Okay, so let me go to the file explorer. Okay, and then I remember for XP under the let me see. Okay, under the oh no, let me see. Under the my documents. Okay, yeah. Okay, under my documents, it has the shared picture. Okay, shared picture. Then I can navigate into it. Okay, so here is about, I don't know, 4 or 5 pictures, something like that. and then assume that I'm going to upload it to the server. So from my client side, let me navigate into Win User folder. And then just drag and drop. Let's say let me try this. This fine. Winter is fine. Okay, so let me just drag and drop this winter image into the Win Users folder. Again, you can easily verify it on the server side. Boom, I mean the picture is there. Okay, yeah, really neat. Okay, so again, this is how you can verify that the Win user has the read-write permission. Okay, yeah. All right, and then again, you can back up one label, if you want to, and then delete it. Okay, so again, as of now on the server side, the Win user folder is there. Okay, but then the Win user want to delete it. Okay, yeah, so you can remove it. Boom, that's it. Okay, so again, it's really neat. Okay, this is really neat. Okay, so this kind of verify that the user has the read-write read-write permission got set up. Okay, that's it. I think that will be all. Okay, yeah. So I wish you all have a good day, and I hope that this is useful to you. Okay, yeah. Let me stop the recording. Okay, yeah.